Welcome back, everyone. Hi again, Alessandro.
I
How was the conference today?
I was great. I think
Was good.
the technical part was very good. Unfortunately, on the networking side, we had some problem. Not very much participation, but I guess next time will be better.
Yes. And yes, it was my fault because I cut down
Oh yeah.
the slot number two, but nobody realized that instead of being 50 minutes, they were 40. But it's a bug. We
Yeah,
are in C++, so
we did the agenda until the last minute, but
yeah,
we
yeah, yeah.
never noticed that
Nobody
discrepancy.
realized
It
that
happens.
we had a bug into the agenda. But anyway, thanks. Usually, when we have this closing message, we ask the people how the conference was. Now it's not so easy. You can drop some comments in the chat. I recommend you to give feedback actually at the end. And so, thanks a lot for joining us. This was our very first online only event, and I think it was great. We have to improve, and I think we have a bunch of notes that can be useful for other organizers as well. And as I said, I would like to publish a blog post about all of these things, about our feelings and errors and technical issues. Give me some time to do this, but in case you need some feedback before I publish this post, don't hesitate. Really, don't hesitate to get in touch with me at marco@italiancpp.org. Uh, so, thanks a lot. And I would like to show you a few numbers updated compared to this morning. We had a lot of check-ins. Is more than 400. Is a huge number for us. Compared to last year, is not double, but is very close to the double of last year. And we had 250 keynote live viewers. For our events is a very good result. So I'm very happy, and I would like to thank you about this because you are the only supporters for us, let's say. So very happy and very proud to lead this community. Now it's time for me to show you the stuff, and we have Alessandro here, the co-organizer. We have Stefano and Alessandro. They were behind the scenes of Discord, together with the rest of the staff that I would like to show you. Let's try to share this screen. This is Discord share. They actually cannot speak because I'm not sharing the audio because I'm using Firefox, and on Firefox StreamYard doesn't support sharing audio. So they are trying to say something, but we have let's say muted them. And but that's the rest of the staff behind the scenes. They have moderated. They have look after the channels for the whole day. So it's I would like to thank them, and thanks a lot for
Thank you.
this effort. Thanks a lot, guys. So let me close this, otherwise I probably consume some additional bandwidth. Now it's time, let me go back to my slides. Okay, this worked, nice. I would like to thank the sponsors again. So thanks a lot for supporting us. And I think there was some interaction in the server today. Not so much, I think, I'll be honest. So I mean, in general, the interaction was not so high, but it's okay. We are, learning how to do these kind of things, even online. I repeat, I really hope this will be temporary. I mean, I would like to come back organizing offline events soon, but we don't know yet, obviously. So we adapt to these new rules of the game in the meantime. Thanks again to the sponsors. Thanks to the speakers. Some of them have joined us later today, like Connor and Walter. Uh, on their part of the world, it's probably morning now, so they have to spend an additional day, and probably they will be available on Discord for some time. So that's another opportunity. Until more or less the end of the day, the Discord server will be open. So join the Discord server if you have if you have a ticket, let's say, so if you are a registrant, you have an invitation. If you don't have an invitation anyway, drop an email to info@italiancpp.org, and we send you the invitation. So again, thanks a lot to all the speakers, even the speakers who sent us a pre-recorded session. Okay, and some of them you can reach on Discord as well. Franco in particular I know is on Discord today. So okay, raffle time. Raffle time is we try to run a piece of C++ code to extract 4 winners of our no starch press coupons. So what I did was I took the whole database of Eventbrite 3 tickets, and I merged it with the check-in contacts. And the algorithm is a set intersection. So that's useful maybe for Connor and for the other algorithms lovers. So I can show you the code maybe. I'm not sharing it here, but it's very interesting. And now what I did was just copying all the codes into this one box snippet. So all the codes are here. This is just the tick numbers. So privacy friendly, because you don't see any names here. This is very important for me. So this is really privacy friendly. And now, you know, I was not very fancy about this code. Actually, I could be better, but I'm just reading the codes, and I'm creating a random device, a random generator, and I'm just shuffling a certain amount of time this vector of codes. The number of times I shuffle the vector is actually the number of tickets that we have sold. Okay, that is not exactly the same as the number of check-in people. Okay, is more actually, because less people did a check-in, but actually less people also did a check-in correctly. Let's say, because name and surname sometimes doesn't match. So we have less code, and at the end I extract 4 codes. One at front, one at back, one at the index 5, that actually the 6th index in reality, because it's is 0 based. 5Y5, because this is the 5th edition of the conference. And then I also extracted the index at position 250, sorry, modulo size of the code's vector, because this was the number of viewers of the keynote at the same time. So we can try running this code. Maybe I can run it several times, and the output is actually hidden here, so I have to scroll up a bit. Let me running several times just to create more suspense. And another time. Just another time, otherwise I will be probably banned from the server. Okay, are you ready? Let's scroll it up. First one is, okay, the first one is this code. You can check your email. If you have this code, you are lucky. Obviously, we'll send you an email afterwards, so you don't have to chat here. I'm the winner. Well, you can do it, but no, it's not needed. Okay, this is the first one. Second one. Okay, these are the code. Congratulations. Third one, here it is. And last one, here it is. Congratulations to all the people who won the tickets. Let me switch to the slide again. Well, there is not so much to say. Please give feedback. So I know that you have given feedback after each session. You still have time to do it. So please take your time to do it. In a few days, only the registrants will receive an email containing a more extensive survey, let's say with 10 questions more or less, about the event itself. So how was the experience in the networking area? How was if you had technical issues or something like that. I repeat, This feedback is useful for us, but also for the other organizers, because we'll be merged with our impressions, our feelings about the event itself. So please give feedback. It's important for the community itself. I think that's it. I would like to wish good luck to all the other organizers of events, in particular to the incoming C++ events, but not only C++, obviously this is for the rest of the community of technical events, let's say, of the technical community. So good luck to everyone. And in case you need some feedback, some information about how we made this event, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me or with the rest of the staff. For example, with Alessandro. Alessandro, if you want to say just something, please join the conversation.
Just want to thank all the people that joined us today, and in next days, if they will watch the recorded session, please give feedback. We need the feedback. It's our first time, as you already said a lot of times. It's the first time we need to improve. We have a lot of space for improvements. So thank you, and I hope to see you face-to-face live at the next conference.
Yeah, that's true. We hope to see you very soon. And that's a good point. The pre-recorded sessions will be public for everyone starting from tomorrow. So you can watch also the pre-recorded sessions from tomorrow. So good luck to all the other organizers, and see you soon. And hopefully see you soon in person. Otherwise, see you virtually again by the end of the year with the C++ Day. We would like to organize the C++ Day. Who knows? If you want to help, get in touch with us. So saying that, thanks a lot. Have a good rest of the day. Enjoy the summer, and see you soon. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.